Now the question number 4 is form 5-digit numbers using the digits 7, 6, 1, 3, 9. These numbers are given. We have to form 5 digits numbers. Numbers means different numbers we have to form and then arrange in descending order. So this is just like a jumbling words which you have enjoyed in your English subject. So there what you have to do, just jumble all these numbers in different orders and make new number. So let's start 76139. So first number we can copy as it is, as the number formed is 76,139. Then the next number can be, we have to again rearrange it. So 1 will come first, then 6, then 3, 9. Then the another new number will be 7, 3, 6, 1, 9. Then 7, 9, 6, 1, 3. Then 9, 7, 6, 3, 1. Like that you can arrange all the numbers in different orders and find different numbers. So I found up to 5 numbers. So these numbers can be formed. Now we have to arrange this in descending order. Now descending order. For descending order we used to see the first number which is bigger. So here all 7, 7, 7, 7 all are same. This is 9, which is a bigger number. So first we will write this number 97631. Then all the 7 are same. So after that next number we can see here 6, 1, 3 and 9. So 9 is greater among all these. So this will be 7, 9, 6, 1, 3. Now 7, 6, 7, 1, 7, 3. So 7, 6 is the bigger one. So I will write here 7, 6, 1, 3, 9. Now 7, 1 and 7, 3. Which one is bigger? That is 7, 3, 6, 1, 9. The last one will remain 7, 1, 6, 3 and 9. So this will be the descending order of these numbers. You can form more numbers using these numbers. I already found it 5. You can find more also. Now some of the remembering points you have to keep in mind, because these are used in your future studies, and also this is very important whenever anyone says you like puzzle, say any one digit smallest number, so you don't know, say any one digit the greatest number, how what it can be. So for that, it very simple trick is there. If we are asked for one digit smallest number, so always remember the one digit smallest number is 1 and the greatest number is, we have to see the 0 to 9 numbers. So 0 to 9 numbers, which one is the greatest one? 9. So 9 number is the greatest one digit number. After that, very simple trick is there, 2 digit number. So 1 will be copied as it is, and 2 digit smallest number only you add there 1 0. So 10 will be the smallest number of 2 digit, and then greatest number 9 will be written 2 times. So that will be 99, because after that if I add one more it will become 100. So 100 will be the 3 digit number. So this will not come here. So 99 is the greatest number in 2 digit. Then the 3 digit smallest number. So 1 I will copy as it is, and 2 zeros containing 3 digit number, that is 100 will be the smallest number, and greatest number as it is, whatsoever is written here, 2 digit, 3 digit, that much 9 you will write here and you will form the greatest number. So 999 will be the greatest number of 3 digit. Like that you can find different one. Now here let's see, one more is there, 7 digit smallest number. So 1 I will write, and after that how many are remaining, how many digits I have to write here? 6, because 1 I have written already. So 6 will be zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Put commas. So this will be 10 lakh, smallest number of 7 digit. And then similarly, greatest number of 7 digit, you write 7 times 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this will be your 9 greatest number of 7 digit. Now similarly 8 digit is there, that means you have to write 1, and then after how many digit? Already 1 I have written, so how many will remain? 7. So 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Put 0 commas like this. Okay, and then greatest number of 8 digit, that means 8 times 9 you have to write here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then commas 1 2 3 like this. Understood? So this, like this you can make different digits by using smallest or greatest number, and this is very important for you. You have to remember and practice it well by writing in your notebook also. Okay, so here we end up with the exercise 1.1. We'll meet for the exercise 1.2 in our next class.